Hello everyone, how are you? It's so nice to see you and I hope you're doing great. So today we're going to practice the verb called can and can't. Let's start, shall we? Okay. So look at the picture. Can he jump? Jump, jump, jump. Can he jump? Yes, he can jump. Okay, so let's look at this one. Can he dance? What do you think about it? Look at his movements. Can he dance? No, he can't dance. So this one is a bit more difficult, but I know you can do it. What can the puppet do? Let me give you a small clue. Sing. So the verb is sing. What can he do? He can sing a song. The puppet can sing a song, right? Good job. So let's look at this one. Oh, what can he do? Right. The verb is ride. And so the sentence is yes, he can ride a bike. But it is too dangerous, so don't do it, okay? So let me ask you a question. Can elephants fly? What do you think about it? I know. I feel like I can hear you. The elephants can't fly. No, elephants can't fly. But it is magic time. So let's see. Hockey, pokey, abracadabra. Show me an elephant which can fly. Look! The elephant can fly. Yes? So let me ask you another question. Can cats play the piano? What do you think about it? No, cats can't play the piano. Human can do it, but cats, no, they can't. But again, no, it's time for magic. So, abracadabra. Look, the cat can play the piano very well. How can it happen? I don't know. So it was all for today's session. Thank you for attending the lesson and I hope I see you in the next one. See you.